Create your own website with real-time data syncing and a smart, easy process with Guesty websites. Start by choosing Growth Mode, then Distribution, and then click Guesty Websites. Select the plan best suited for you. Click Next. And here, select the relevant booking engine to embed in your website. If you haven't created a booking engine yet, you can learn how to do that in our Help Center before returning to complete this step. Now, click here to head over to the Smart Website Editor, where you can design, customize, and configure your website precisely the way you want. Get creative with simple drag and dropping, built-in templates, or your own unique style, and a variety of tools and elements to bring your vision to life. When everything is in place, click Publish right here, and set the website's domain, either by entering your own domain if relevant, by creating a brand new domain, or by using Guesty's default URL with your prefix and the guestywebsites.com ending. And that's it! Your new website is live, and guests can now search, browse, and book reservations while getting updated availability and pricing information directly from Guesty. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our Help Center. Thanks for watching!